My name's Colin Martin. I work for the City of Lakewood, the utility division, water and sewer maintenance. We got this truck about 1.5 years ago, I believe, and then as well as this Vanguard system that we absolutely love. When you read online some of the stuff that people can get from just minor illnesses to death from what could be on that hose, it's life-changing to think that a simple setup like this could solve that problem. It takes these guys 30 seconds to get it going, you know, from initial setup to we're ready to turn it on. And from there, it's just, I mean, it's so simple, it doesn't make sense not to use it. Just yet again, going back to that crew safety, the sick time is not there anymore. We don't have crew members getting sick from whatever could be on that hose. And then yet again, that hose longevity, just the lifespan of that hose and the truck is lasting so much longer. So everything just lasts longer when it stays clean, in turn keeping things running to keep us moving. I think this should come on any type of sewer equipment, whether it be vac truck, camera van, it should come with it some way. And for, like I said, the simple solution takes 30 seconds to get that thing turned on and going. It doesn't make sense not to have it on at the end of the day.